Hi and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about fit blind corner storage solutions. If you've heard the expression blind corner cabinet, but don't know what it means, this is an example. It's a corner cabinet with just one opening door. That can mean access is tricky and is why so often these cabinets end up being full of items you don't use very often. A well-designed pull-out unit makes that dark space accessible and useful again. You can see with this unit that as you open the door, the unit comes out to meet you. So there's no need to go rummaging about in the dark corner space. The Magic Corner is one of Fit's most popular units due to its durability, quality, value, smooth movement, solid construction with powder-coated frame and soft close function. Plus, all of this again at a great price point. Weight ratings are good with 5 kg total on the outer baskets and 12 kg per inner basket. There's two models, one with white solid base shelves and chrome style rails, and another in which the baskets are entirely made from chromed wire. Now a couple of extra points for the kitchen and cabinet makers out there. One very popular feature with kitchen makers and cabinet makers on the Magic Corner unit is that it's easy to adjust on the door and has a big range of 6-way adjustment. It's designed for universal use, so you don't need to work out whether you need a right or a left-hand model. The same unit can be used in both situations. This is very handy if you keep a few corner units in stock. With Magic Corner, the same unit will suit any blind corner cabinet you create.